Hello, friends. Today, I'm going to show you some amazing kitchen gadgets that will make your cooking easier, smarter, and more fun. Each gadget is practical, stylish, and super useful. Once you see them, you won't be able to look away. So, make sure to watch the video till the end and tell me in the comments, which gadget did you like the most? If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel Kitchen and Home Review, where you'll find brand new product reviews every day. So friends, let's start. Stainless steel cookware. Premium stainless steel construction. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, our pots and pans set ensures long-lasting durability for consistent cooking performance over time. Stylish and practical. Includes 8 and 10-inch fry pans, 3.5 quart covered sauté pan, 1.5 and 3 quart covered saucepans, 7 quart covered Dutch oven, and a stainless steel steamer, making it the perfect set for your kitchen. Even heating. This pots and pans cookware set prevents hot spots and ensures consistent, reliable cooking results every time. Ultimate comfort and control. Featuring riveted stainless steel handles that provide a secure grip, vented glass lids, measuring marks, and pouring spouts save time and effort during cooking. Versatile cookware. Dishwasher and oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and compatible with all cooktops, including induction, making meal preparation a more enjoyable experience. Limited lifetime warranty. Titanium cutting board. 2-in-1 cutting board is a versatile 2-in-1 kitchen tool, with one side made of food-grade 99.9% pure titanium for cutting raw and cooked meat, and the other side made of wheat straw PP material for cutting vegetables and fruit. High-quality titanium cutting board completely improves the shortcomings of traditional cutting boards. Traditional cutting boards are prone to cutting gaps, leaving food residues at the gaps and absorbing odors and other minor problems. Easy to clean. The material on both sides is not sticky. You can rinse with water to keep it clean. Please clean the cutting board in time after cutting meat or vegetables and hang it to dry. There is a portable round on the cutting board for easy car. Stainless steel whisk set. High-quality material, made of high-quality durable stainless steel and highly polished processing methods. No worries of rust. You can use the whisk set for a long time. Multiple sizes. This egg beater has 3 sizes for you to choose from, which are 12 inches, 10 inches, and 8 inches. You can choose the right size egg beater according to the size of the bowl. Multi-purpose. This kitchen whisk is ergonomically designed, lightweight, and does not take up space. It is suitable for various cooking places, such as making cakes, whipping cream, stirring batter, and baking pastries, etc., making us more interested in cooking. Easy to clean and store. The handle is rust-resistant and non-stick, making it easy to clean. The handle has a hole design, which can be easily hung on any hook in the kitchen for easy storage, a must-have for home cooks and restaurant chefs. Stainless steel fish spatula set. Set of 2 stainless steel spatula. Our spatula set comes with 1 large fish flipper spatula plus 1 small pancake spatula. The large one is perfect for flipping delicate fish fillets, steaks, patties more, while the small one is great for turning small pieces of food like cookies, omelets, pancakes, eggs more. High quality, built to last, durable. Our thin metal spatula set is made from 304 stainless steel that is rust-proof and corrosion-resistant. This slotted turner allows grease to drain and slides smoothly under food without causing any damage, thanks to its perfect thickness and flexibility. Easy grip with modern design. The lightweight stainless steel turner with a non-slip handle ensures a comfortable grip and precise control, which makes it easier to grill, fry food. Its modern, sleek design doesn't just look good, but fits flawlessly into any kitchen style. Cheese grater. Makes everything simple. Just forget your bagged cheese. Only turn the handle for several times and get fresh shredded cheese, cutting the food 12 times faster and saving more time. Go ahead for your favorite recipes with this cheese grater. Premium material. All parts of the rotary cheese grater are made of food-grade ABS material, no BPA. The 3 blades are made of stainless steel, never dull or rust. Our rotary grater provides safe choice and ensures you can enjoy healthy food. 3-option grater. The Parmesan cheese grater finishes food preparation with slicing, shredding, and grinding blade easily, which is perfect for grating cheese, cookie, peanuts, almonds, etc. for salad, hash brown, taco, smoothie, and so on. Easy to clean. This rotary cheese grater is detachable in all parts, making it simple to clean. Just wash it under a stream of water for a few seconds. Also top rack dishwasher safe. Stainless steel cookware. Premium stainless steel construction. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, our pots and pans set ensures long-lasting durability for consistent cooking performance over time. Stylish and practical. Includes 8 and 10-inch fry pans, 3.5 quart covered sauté pan, 1.5 and 3 quart covered saucepans, 7 quart covered Dutch oven, and a stainless steel steamer, making it the perfect set for your kitchen. Even heating. This pots and pans cookware set prevents hot spots and ensures consistent, reliable cooking results every time. Ultimate comfort and control. Featuring riveted stainless steel handles that provide a secure grip, vented glass lids, measuring marks, and pouring spouts save time and effort during cooking. Versatile cookware. Dishwasher and oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and compatible with all cooktops, including induction, making meal preparation a more enjoyable experience. Limited lifetime warranty. Stainless steel measuring cups. Multiple sizes, including 4 measuring cups, 1/4, 1/3, 1/2, 1 cup, 6 measuring spoons, 1/8, 1/4, 1/2, 1 teaspoon, 1/2, 1 tablespoon. Meet all your needs on cooking and baking. Premium material. The measuring cups made of food-grade 18/8 stainless steel. The measuring spoon made of premium food-grade stainless steel, 100% rust-resistant, no toxic elements, which is safe to use for both dry and wet ingredients. Easy cleaning. Stackable professional metal measuring spoons and cup set is dishwasher safe. Perfect solution to cheap plastic measuring sets. Easy to use. Each measuring cup and measuring spoon have engraved clearly the size mark. No more guess in kitchen. Guarantee. Tyluk offer 100% satisfaction to allow you to test it. Please feel free to contact us if you are not satisfied with our product. Stainless steel wire masher. Ideal for mashing vegetables. Perfect for mashing root vegetables, avocados, apples, and nuts. Ergonomic handle for comfort. The handle is well balanced and ergonomically designed for comfort and smooth operation under heavy use. The handle features a debossed logo, chrome-plated bolster, and a stainless steel end cap. Rust-resistant. The head is crafted from thick 4-5 mm stainless steel wire, which is durable and will not rust. Dishwasher safe. This masher is dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy. Lifetime limited included. This masher comes with a 1-year hassle-free replacement and lifetime limited. Stovetop espresso maker. The original mocha coffee pot. Mocha Express is the original stovetop espresso maker. It provides the experience of the real Italian way of preparing a tasteful coffee. Its unique shape and the inimitable gentleman with mustache date back to 1933, when Alfonso Bialetti invented it. Made in Italy. It is made in Italy, and its quality is enhanced by the patented safety valve, which makes it easy to clean, and its ergonomic handle, available in many sizes and suitable for gas, electric, and induction, with the Bialetti induction adapter plate. One size for each need. Mocha Express sizes are measured in espresso cups. Coffee can be enjoyed in espresso cups or in larger containers. Cleaning instructions. The Bialetti Mocha Express must only be rinsed with clean water after use, with no detergents. The product is not to be washed with a dishwasher, as it will be irremediably damaged and the taste of coffee altered. Swivel vegetable peeler. Smooth, effortless peeling. Dual stainless steel blades stay ultra-sharp and swivel to glide along fruits and vegetables easily. Includes a built-in blemish remover. Save time, less waste. Skins peel off quickly like they are melted butter without gouging your fruits or veggies. Takes off just the right amount, so you save more precious produce. Smooth glide technology. Will not clog with peels. Dishwasher safe. Soft grip handle for maximum comfort. The non-slip rubber handle is comfortable for both right and left-handed use and makes peeling enjoyable. Includes hole for easy hanging. Ergonomic design. The peeler is efficient and lightweight and is easy to use, even for those with arthritis.